does it mean to be extraordinary? Extraordinary means breaching the limits the world imposed on us. No success can be achieved alone. There is always a team behind it. At the other side of the world, in this vast space of manufacturers, what sets us apart from others? We could have the most envious material in stock. Or we could have top precision grade printing. Or we could have a high-tech metal forming facility. With 30 years of experience, we do have it all. All processes are under one roof, and if you work with us, you will have it all too. This is the call for those who need high-quality products done at high production standards. This is the call for bespoke, high-class products, hassle-free. This is the call for you. From development to delivery, thousands of models are already available, whilst our internal development team creates new ones. 1,000 robots and people producing them. Simply take this first step to contact us. Everything else is our job to prove to you that we are a remarkable can factory, worthy of your time. We will earn your trust by delivering professional products in no time. Our team works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are always at your service. This is why thousands of clients already trust us. To remain the leader in the metal packaging industry, we are continually improving efficiency and reliability.